Hey there guys, welcome back to Coptalks. Today's audio and video is being recorded on the MIUFLY 1296p 64GB waterproof body camera that I bought on Amazon. I did a review on this video a while back and I thought I'd actually go ahead and show it to you in use on a dark back road out of my police vehicle. Alright, so this is how it looks with no IR and with headlights on. Now this is what it looks like with IR on and headlights on. And this is what it looks like with no lights and only IR. Okay? And this is what it looks like with no IR or no headlights. So I'm actually, with this unit, pretty happy. I'm going to turn the IR back on. Pretty happy with the audio quality that I get from this microphone. I've been pretty happy with it. It allows you to see pretty far. Right now I can see about my hand out to there, and then it's too dark for me to see anything. The IR function allows you to see actually a pretty good distance away. It picks up ambient noise, not to the point where it's annoying, but enough to where you kind of get a semblance of what's going on in the environment. Like, you can hear the engine running on the truck, you can see the guardrail, you can see a little bit past that, you can see lights off in the distance, and you can see the road. I can't see as much as this camera can see. I've been pretty happy with this thing. For the cost, I honestly think this is some of the best bang for your buck. Now, like I said, the clips and stuff, I said this in a previous video that I'm not even sure if I've even posted yet, but the clips could be a little bit better quality and some of the mounting options could be a little bit better quality. But other than that, I've been super happy with this purchase, and it's actually been implemented in my department and is actually in use by my agency. So they were so impressed by this thing's capabilities and quality that it's actually, you know, what we use department-wide, just for the basis of the cost and the fact that we can do video storage ourselves. There's nothing special about the files. You don't need a special video player. The videos are in MP4 format and can be played on any media player. So anyway guys, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment, a like, and if you would, please subscribe. It really helps me out. I don't get paid for any of this shit. I just do it because I feel like it might help somebody. If you have any other questions, go ahead, shoot me an email at coptalks@gmail.com or leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to try and get back to you. Anyway guys, as you can tell, it's nighttime, which means I'm at work, so I'm going to get back to it. I just thought I'd do this quick video real quick and, let you guys have a look for yourselves. Anyway guys, have a blessed night, have a good day, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.